now we're going to talk a little bit about the personal statements. I call them personal marketing statements because that's really what they are. This is a movie trailer for you. It's a commercial for you. And in terms of, you know, I mentioned earlier that the point of a great application is to show exactly who you are. I actually had a student last year, her name is Chloe, and she went to several college counselors before she met with me. And for whatever reason, there's a whole group of college counselors that are very negative. And they told this young woman, you're never going to get never going to get in anywhere. You're bland. You're boring. Nothing is exciting about you. So by the time I met with her, she was pretty demoralized, and I was like, whoa, let's stop that. Let's slow down. One of the first things I do with my students before we even start writing the essays is we do a writing curriculum. So we basically go through several exercises that I did when I went to USC Film School getting my graduate degree that are all about writing dramatically, writing visually, and writing to capture the audience's attention. So first we did that. Then we do a lot of brainstorming. We do a lot of discussion, you know, finding what are the best stories for you to write about. And through this process, we discovered it's not that this young woman was bland. She was very shy. She was, you know, in a way it was kind of a little bit of a hindrance for her. And which is why when she met with these other counselors, they immediately turned to the negativity side. Well, we decided she had a moment where she had a shyness breakthrough. And it ended up being during a class presentation that she had to do on Marie Antoinette. And so that's what she wrote her essay about. So a lot of people think that this essay has to be about saving the world and, you know, I don't know, all these great accomplishments that you've done by the time you're 17. It's not true. It has to be about something, and there's 4 things that it needs to be. It needs to be structured, it needs to be compelling, it needs to be unique to you and to your personality, and it needs to be vulnerable. And out of the 4, the vulnerable is probably the most important thing. In fact, the Common App this year redid all of their essay prompts. And one of the essay prompts is, tell us about a time that you failed or experienced failure, what you learned from it, and what you're doing differently in the future. So they really want to get to the meat of who you are as a person. And so the question is how do we do that?